Hi everyone, it's Muriel. Welcome back to my channel. So happy Saturday to you all. So today I wanted to come on and share with you the one time a year St. Patty's Day projects that I do. I love making St. Patty's Day projects, and I only do two things. I make cards and I make the nuggets, the Hershey nuggets, and I just wrap them in paper. And I, bought some paper this year to use for the nuggets, and I didn't use it. Instead, I'm trying to work my way through this paper pad here that's almost gone. But I do have a few more nuggets left, so I think I am going to use that paper that I bought. I shared that with you in a haul. It was these two here. So I will definitely use those. I don't know what else I can do. I mean, what else I need to do. I just have a few friends that I treat the St. Patty's Day things with. So let me show you what I did here. I made some cards. These are shaker cards. I found this tutorial over on the Hip Kit Club site. The designer showed a shaker card that she made. And I thought, oh my gosh, I have to do this. So this is like a piece of vellum pocket on the inside, and all that shaker mixes in there. And I cut out this piece here to put on the inside to put a sentiment. And these are just stickers from a sticker book that I'm using. Let me show you guys. This is the sheet from the sticker book. So had a couple of kisses, lips, and four-leaf clover. And then I put a little sticker on the back. This paper here is from Authentique. Graphic 45, excuse me. It's their, it was like the monthly paper pad. So this was the one from March. So the bow was gifted to me in a haul. Someone shared with me a couple of bows, so I used that one. These foam stickers and the foam stickers and the hats probably were from either Michael's or Hobby Lobby. So I keep them in this chewing gum box. And then yesterday we went to Party store, or the party store, right? I had to buy 2 balloons. I'm celebrating my 30th anniversary, work service anniversary. So I bought a big 3 and a big O. And then I found this pack of St. Patty's Day confetti. So they have the pot of gold in one, and then it had a bag of coins in the other, and then it had the rainbow and all the other goodies. So I used some of that. This is some more of the stickers from the sheet. I just glued it on some chipboard just to make a embellishment. So, and then the vellum, and then all the goodies are inside. So let me show you. And I have these. I'm getting rid of these paper clips because I've had them for so long. And since I'm going to give some people at work, they'll use paper clips again, right? So these are the Illustrated Faith pom-pom clips, and they were all green, and they were $5.99. I bought them at a store here called Ben Franklin. So I can toss that. I need to start doing my empties, right? Every month do a empties video, because I feel like I am going through a lot of stuff, and it would be good for me to see at the end of the month, okay, what have you done based on what you have used up. But anyway, the shakers have some confetti, and I am using this here. It looks like this is from Hobby Lobby. There's a couple of little four-leaf clover things in here, and then all this jewels and stuff. I'm going to use this when I sprinkle a little, like a leprechaun came by your desk. So this will be gone as well, because I've had this for quite some time. So, oh, and then I use one of the girls from this stickability sheet. These are 12 for each month, right? So I use the Shamrock Girl. But you can see this one looks like it's Halloween, and then this one looks like it's Christmas, and she looks like maybe 4th of July, and then this one looks like the beach. So if you have these, it's good to pull them out and just kind of use them in your projects, because they are one for each month. Okay, what else did I use to create? And then I'm going to look these up online, but I picked these up at Tuesday Morning, like a long time ago. And they're just the 2x2 acid-free bags. And that's what I put the candies in. That's what I use to house them. I thought I used to have one that was longer, because I used to give them 3 Hershey nuggets, but times have changed, right? So, and I'm just using some of those in ephemera pieces to decorate the pack with. And then again, I'll sprinkle some stuff, and there we go. So that's all I use. So let me show you. So you saw this card here, really simple. I love this bow. I don't know who gave me this bow, but thank you so much. And then here's the one with the girl, and you can see she's got a shamrock kind of necklace on or something. Okay, I took the coins and glued them behind the pot of gold. And this is a cut apart from Graphic 45's A Place and Time sheet. I think I bought a pack of these at Tuesday Morning. You know how you get a pack of like 24 of the same thing. So it's really good. Of course, the cardstock it's on is very sturdy. And I just cut out those from this sheet. But you can see it has a lot of everything. It has some months. Happy Mother's Day. 1 year older, sprinkles, September. So it's a really good sheet to use. So and cut it out, put it on some chipboard, and then took a gold marker and went around the edge of it. Okay, so when you, excuse me, when you open up, you can see all the goodies on the inside. And then on the back, I just used something from the sticker sheet. And then this one here, the leprechauns made me do it. And this one says made in Ireland. Oh, goodness. And so they're all the same. I just think people will get a kick out of these. So St. Patty's Day is, oh, I'm looking at the wrong calendar, but I'm off in sometime next week, but I'll definitely put it on their desk. And they'll just have to thank me when I come back. Okay, so beautiful paper. Look at I Heart Beer, Clover Beer, or so beautiful paper from Graphic 45. And then this one here. So they're all kind of similar. I didn't want to go too over the top. I just thought it would be a good gesture. And, you know, the friends I give them to, they tend to enjoy. Excuse me. And then this one here, I just use a flower punch and cut out some of these silver flowers. Shenanigans begin here. And these pockets, again, I just, I'll put the link down below of the designer who created these on the Hip Kit Club. Really simple. She made some for spring, but I just thought, you know what, I need to do my St. Patty's Day thing. So, and again, these are just, I have the hat, and then using the embellishments, the ephemera pieces, and using up all the papers from the paper pad. And this looks like some little thing I got from Michael several years ago. So again, the one time I get to use it, and then I put it away. I don't have much, again, St. Patty's Day stuff. I'll show you exactly what I pull from every year. I have this, of course, this green box that I bought from Michael's. And this is kind of like all I have. I mean, I have flowers. I have some of this leprechaun mess. I'll definitely use some of these. I have some coins, plastic coins. I also have some glass beads that I got from Dollar Tree, and I was going to use those in the shaker, but I didn't. So not a whole lot. I'm just really trying to get it down. I have lots of trims, and I just keep them in here. There's a jar of stars. I'll definitely use that. Here are the stickers that I got from Hobby Lobby that I used on the candies. Some more trims. More trims. And then a couple of those buttons from the Dollar Tree. And I'll probably wear one of those. So, you know, the old thing, if you don't have green, you're going to get pinched. So nobody's going to be pinching me. Okay, so that looks like everything that I've used. And I hope you guys enjoy this. I know a lot of people are working on Easter already. Oh my gosh, I have to stay in the moment. I don't want to rush my life. So St. Patty's Day is next. So that's why I just chose to do them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and do have a great Saturday. Bye now.